told you your insurance might only fix half your roof and leave the rest looking like a patchwork mess. Sounds pretty insane, right? But it happens all the time. The secret, a sneaky little thing buried in your policy called the Matching Exclusion Clause. Hey, I'm Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting, and today I'm exposing one of the most unfair tricks in modern insurance policies. But before we continue, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with the homeowner because this clause could cost you thousands. So here's how it works. If part of your roof, siding, or flooring is damaged, your insurance may only pay to replace the damaged part. Well, sounds reasonable until you realize the new part might not match the old part, your roof siding or floors could end up looking like a checkerboard, and your home's value and curb appeal could drop like a rock. Why? Because of a clause that says the company doesn't have to pay to match materials. For example, let's say a storm damages 30% of your roof, and your insurer says, we'll only replace the damaged area. But the new shingles don't match the old ones and they refuse to replace the rest. But here's the twist. Even if they deny full replacement because of matching, that doesn't mean you're stuck. At Panther, we've gotten full roofs approved not because of matching, but because the repair itself requires it. For example, think manufacturer installation requirements, building code upgrades, needing to replace the underlayment or ridge cap or other roof accessories. In other words, it's not just about looks, it's also about how the job needs to be repaired to be done right. This isn't just about looks, it's about real money. Mismatched repairs can lower your property value, turn off potential buyers, and cause problems during future inspections. In some cases, city code may even require uniform appearance, meaning you'll be forced to pay out of pocket to fix what the insurance company refused to cover. And they know this. But if your policy has a matching exclusion clause, their hands are somewhat clean, unless of course a professional adjuster proves the full repair is required for functional, not cosmetic reasons. So this is how they get you. We only owe for direct physical damage, matching materials are not guaranteed, cosmetic differences are not covered. Translation? They'll fix what was hit, but they don't care if your house ends up looking like a patch job. Luckily, some states have laws that protect homeowners from this, but many don't. Some policies can be upgraded to include matching coverage, but you have to know to ask for it. But even if you're stuck with the matching exclusion, all is not lost. We've used building science, repair logistics, and code compliance to turn partial approvals into full roof replacements. The key is knowing how to build the argument beyond matching. So, how do you avoid the half-covered home nightmare? Pull out your policy and search for the phrase matching exclusion or uniform appearance. If it's in there, call your agent and ask if it can be removed or updated. Better yet, ask us to review your policy for free. At Panther Public Adjusting, we fought claims where homeowners were stuck with 40% repairs, and we forced carriers to cover the full job. And not because it didn't match, but because it couldn't be repaired any other way. You deserve a house that looks whole, and a roof that works like new. Don't let the matching clause catch you off guard. Let us review your policy before disaster strikes. Like and subscribe for more tips that insurance companies hope you never see. And share this video with anyone fixing storm damage right now. Comment below if you've dealt with mismatched repairs. I want to hear your story. I'm Mendy. Let's get you paid and protected. I'll see you in the next one.